This is Quince Gorodny conducting usability testing for mobile apps with participant A. This non-participatory observation will take approximately 5 minutes, followed by another 5-minute interview to ask your opinion on the application. So, good morning, participant A. I'd like to thank you for taking part in this user testing. This application, Draw Daily, is an app which encourages people to draw every day, so it requires you to draw on paper. To record as much of your thoughts as possible, I'd like you to think out loud as you use the app. So, can you open the app for me? And just go ahead. Just thinking out loud.
I like the images, how the images are very visual in terms of you know what you're being told to do. The information is very important, I guess, in this. It's very informative too. Where is the... Oh, right here. Okay, yeah, I didn't see that. That's seems very useful, as it's right underneath the title, Draw Daily. The colors are very, very nice. I like how there's a tip of the day, and how each tip is very informative. What's that?
Where's the pause?
Just there's no pause. You just... And then, is there a reason why I didn't choose picture? Oh, I didn't see that.
Really? Okay.
Well, I didn't. I thought like maybe if it did that. If I could press on that and then it could say like camera or something, or photo, or like upload.
Okay, sure, I see that.
But yeah, all I saw when I opened this was just this, and I think I tried clicking on it but nothing, so I just went back.
I see. Okay.
I guess it's my fault for not looking like at the text.
It's good. Okay. Thanks for taking part in the observation. I'll now ask you a short series of questions about your opinion on the application. May I ask you to answer these questions as honestly as possible? So, first of all, how did you find the experience of navigating through the application?
I think that it was very easy navigating through the app. Everything which you could do was right there. You could literally switch to whatever you want. It was very informative as well. There was a lot of information. The color scheme is nice too. In general, I just think it was just an easy experience navigating through that.
Okay. Would you change anything about the navigation?
Would I change anything about the navigation? No, I don't think I would change anything about the navigation.
Okay, that's cool. Would you say it was responsive enough?
Yes, it was very responsive actually. It's quick.
That's cool. Okay, so on the next, what is your opinion on the look of the app?
As I said, I like the colors. I like how you kind of separate the pictures as well as text.
Okay, cool. Did you have any difficulties reading information on the screen, for example, like finding yourself squinting or looking twice?
No, I didn't find.
Okay. Describe your opinion on the page transitions, so like the animations.
It's very simple. Quick. It's not laggy or anything.
Okay. How did you find trying to understand how to use the app?
How did I find trying to understand how to use the app?
Yeah, like the process of going into the app and then built like trying to understand how to use it. You know.
Yeah. I wouldn't say I understood it immediately, but you know, obviously after some time.
Yeah.
But I feel like it was faster than another app.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Cool. Are there any additional opinions you have on the application?
Any additional opinions I have on the application?
Anything is cool.
Maybe the opinion of the camera. Maybe this block could be something which you can click on. So this choose picture thing could be this.
Okay. Yeah.
So like when I click on this, like these options come up.
Yeah. Yeah. That's great.
Something like that.
That's great. If this app were to be downloadable on the App Store, would you consider downloading it?
Yeah. I'd consider.
Yeah. Would you pay for it, and how much would you value it at?
Would I pay for it?
Yeah, honestly.
No, I wouldn't pay for it. I wouldn't pay for it.
How much would you value the app per app?
I'd say maybe like $2.99.
Okay.
£3.
You have anything else to say about the application or the user testing?
Nope. It was just a easy experience.
Thank you. Cheers. This is Quince Gorodny conducting usability testing for mobile apps with participant B. This non-participatory observation will take approximately 5 minutes, followed by another 5-minute interview to ask your opinions on the application. Good afternoon, participant B. I'd like to thank you for taking part in this user testing. This application, Draw Daily, is an app which encourages people to draw every day, so it will require you to draw some drawings on a piece of paper. To record as much of your thoughts as possible, I would like you to think out loud as you use the app. So, go ahead, participant B, open the app for me.
In here?
Yeah. And just think out loud for me. There it is, yeah. So go ahead, yeah.
Okay, so where do I just click to start drawing, generate a drawing topic? Difficulty. What's this like? What does this entail in terms of like?
I can't tell you.
Okay, so I just have to use it.
Yeah, you have to think out loud too. Just say your opinions on everything.
Initially, bro, I kind of don't know where to go. Just
really okay.
Wait. So I draw here, though.
Yeah, you draw here, based on.
To draw, save image. Choose picture. So should I start drawing then? Okay. Alright, so is that okay? Okay. Just perfecting it a little bit. Alright.
Cool. Can't tell you anything. Cool. Okay.
Oh, is that it? So is it just a sketchbook? Like you draw and then
Yeah.
then all the sketches are in one place type of thing.
And you have a difficulty level. Thanks for taking part in the observation. I'll now ask you a short series of questions about your opinion on the application. May I ask that you answer these questions as honestly as possible? Okay, so how did you find the experience of navigating through the application?
It was quite seamless. Like it was like a normal iPhone app. I have an iPhone, so like I kind of knew where to go. Like the only thing I would say is once you reach certain stages, it's just because I'm unfamiliar. I didn't really know what to do or what it was about, type of thing. But in terms of like the actual like what's it called, like the different things that you click on and you move on to like a different section of the app and all of that, it was very seamless. Like it was very well made in that sense.
Yeah. Would you change anything about the navigation?
Yeah, the navigation, I would say maybe, I know in a lot of iPhone apps that I download, there's an initial section when you download it that gives you instructions on like kind of how to use it. And I feel like that initial section would help a lot in terms of like just how to use the app, and it would be more seamless.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
You know the thing where it's like you swipe. There are like 7 slides.
Yeah.
Or something, and then you just swipe.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah. What was your opinion on the look of the app?
The app looked fine. Like, I guess I think even just the look of it was kind of what confused me. Just because I hadn't seen anything like that before.
Okay.
So like, the app looked fine. The way you can save those images.
Yeah.
That little square that shows you that you need to, it's like an icon that shows you that you need to take a photo or whatever. That was fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think of the color scheme?
I don't mind. It was fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have any difficulties reading information on the screen? For example, finding yourself squinting or looking twice?
No.
Okay, cool. Describe your opinion on the page transitions. So like going from page to page and in clicking navigation, clicking here. Like
going
animations.
Animations were fine in terms of like it was very smooth.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
How did you find? Oh, you sort of said this, but how did you find the task of understanding how to use the app?
That was the hardest part, I think. I think do I need to say it again?
No.
Yeah.
Are there any additional opinions you have on the app?
I think it's a great app. Like it's something useful for people who actually want to do art.
Yeah.
But like what I had said was maybe these are my suggestions, right? Just make it a bit clearer what the app is about, like before anyone starts using it.
Yeah.
And then also this is probably a longer term thing if you wanted to like carry on with it. But in terms of the better ways for me drawing, it's a visual thing.
Yeah.
So like with the tips and all of that, when it's writing, it's kind of a bit harder to conceptualize it than if someone were showing me like, yo, this is how you shade.
Yeah.
So yeah, just that type of thing.
Okay, sure.
In the future.
So if this app were to be downloadable on the App Store, would you consider downloading it? Honestly,
no, I wouldn't. Just because I hate drawing and I